So if you're new to programming, this is a great course for learning how to code. First of all, you're learning an amazing language. This is the best language that you can learn today. Absolutely, definitively, I could say that after decades in this industry. This is absolutely the best language that you could be learning today. It's the fastest growing, highest paying. It's created by geniuses. It's the next evolution is the next step in the evolution of programming languages. So it's a great language to be learning, and it's also a great place to be learning it if you're a beginner. In this class, I'm going to take you all the way from the beginning up to advanced level skills in working with programming. And I'm going to introduce you to all of the concepts in a very consumable, easy to understand fashion. I've been teaching at the college and university level for over 2 decades, and I've taught undergraduates and graduate students in computer science and information systems and business, all walks of life, all individuals, how to program. So I've really developed and refined a system and an approach for helping people understand complex topics. You can see down below in another one of the videos, this course has received tons of reviews, great reviews, and I've received tons of great reviews as an instructor. So you could rest assured that you are in good hands for learning how to program. And this course is absolutely the best course in the entire world that you could take to learn to code. And make sure that if you're kind of like not sure if you want to take this course or still trying to make a decision about it, make sure you check out the video down below where I talk about the price of this course, because this course is a little bit pricier than some of the other stuff that you could buy out there. But I really believe that if you invest in if you have the right teacher, you can learn something and learn it easily and learn it well. And so I know, and it's been market tested, tried, tested, and proven in the marketplace and certified by other individuals who've taken it that this is a great class. So I know it'll be a great investment of your time and money to take this class, and it's absolutely worth the additional price you might pay compared to some other courses so that you can learn this material more quickly, more easily, struggle less, have a better time, have more fun. It's all worth it. So this is a great course for beginners. I'm totally excited you're here as a beginner. There's people here to help you, and I look forward to seeing you in class. So just click that buy button and join, or check out some other videos on this page if you have any more questions about the class. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in class.